YouTube. What's going on, man? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. All right. So today I want to talk to you guys about which credit monitoring service you should be using. All right. There should be no controversy about this. Okay. Credit Karma and things like that, Credit Sesame. Usually, if it's free, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to it. Usually, if it's free, always remember, you get what you pay for, okay? I'm not saying Credit Karma is bad. I'm not saying it's the best thing in the world, because we all know it's not. But when you're looking at your credit, you want to make sure that you get every single detail you can possibly get, all right? From all three bureaus. As we all know, one of the bureaus from Credit Karma isn't even around anymore. So Experian isn't even on Credit Karma anymore, right? It's just Equifax and TransUnion. So the best credit monitoring service is Identity IQ, all right? IdentityIQ.com. And you can have a membership with them for about like $25, $30 a month, right? And the benefits of that is, and I'm not, a sponsor with them or anything, but, I deal with a lot of credit things, and, when you're in the space, you just know what's best, right? So the benefit of Identity IQ over like Credit Karma or something like that, I'm gonna use that for an example because that's the most popular one, is you get all three bureaus, right? You get the names that are on or under each bureau, because let's say your name is James F. Smith, right? Some things you filled out, you just put James Smith. Some things you probably put James F. Smith. Some things you probably did James Frank Smith, right? And all of these data collections and all of this, they've collected all of that data. So on different bureaus, you have different names, you have different addresses, you have different occupations. There's a lot of different things that you have, right? So with my clients, I always, make sure that they always send a personal update information form list, right? So you can remove all of the extra things that you don't need, because you really don't want things tracking you. And once you get all of the things that you don't need, you just have all of your current things on there, right? Unless you were trying to do something like clean your credit or things like that, right? Then you might want to change your address, X, Y, Z, right? But Identity IQ has all of the latest information. It has all of the different names, and it is exactly the report that when you're going for financing or when you're going for a car or anything like that, that's exactly what they see, okay? They have a very, very in-depth recognition of who you are, what's on your credit report. You don't want to go to battle and they know more about you than you know about them, right? Or they know more about you than you know about you, because that's what's going on in this scenario. Credit Karma doesn't offer you enough information, okay? Get Identity IQ. If you're willing to pay for Netflix subscriptions and game subscriptions and other different things like that, please be willing to spend a little bit of money monthly for yourself on your credit monitoring service. Also, if any fraud is happening, if anything is going on, it will alert you ASAP, ASAP, not the next day. As soon as it happens, it's gonna alert you, okay? And in my program, I teach you all how to do something very, very special when you have that as well. Okay, Identity IQ, and make sure you're utilizing that service to where you know everything that's on your credit report. No surprises, all right? When we're doing a lot of these things, we need to be as accurate as possible, okay? I'm starting here. Y'all already know, a lot of my videos are down. I have so much going on, all right? And I'm gonna share it all with you guys about, I don't even wanna get into it yet, but I'm gonna share it all with you guys. So look, just know, consultations, depending on what you want, CP3s, personal credit, business credit, Age Corps, 4 of those, still a go, all right? Like I told y'all before, CPs have changed, okay? They have changed. Can you make money? Yes, but not in the ways that you used to be able to, okay? So contact me. You already know where my information is in the description. I'm about to drop more.